Most people trade meme coins hoping they could win big, but I stopped trading and I started launching. That's why my Phantom wallet has over $8 million. Let me show you how the game actually works right now into this video. Now back in the day, yes bro, trading meme coins was meta. There was a bunch of kids printing thousands of dollars every single day, and I was actually one of them. But now bro, times have changed and now deving is on top. Now the exact reason why I switched to deving meme coins is because I used to buy into every single meme coin every single day, thinking I was early, but instead I lost my money to the dev of the coin. I would buy in and then after a couple minutes, boom, I would get completely liquidated. And that's exactly when everything changed. I became the dev and I stopped trading. Because the truth is that the traders will lose and the launchers will win. When you launch, you control the supply, the timing, and the entire narrative from scratch. You have nothing to lose by launching your own coins because creating coins on the Solana blockchain costs literally $0 of your pockets, bro. It costs literally $0. But if you keep trading, bro, it could cost you your entire portfolio. That's why in today's video, bro, I will show you guys exactly how to launch your very first token on chain and potentially flip $0 into a couple $1,000 on repeat, because yes, you can launch infinite amounts of coins however you want. And by the way, bro, this entire video is for educational purposes only. Nothing here is financial advice, so please do not copy me. Cap! But anyways, now it's time for the actual guide and the juicy part of today's video. Now, when developers think about launching their first meme coin, the first ever thing that pops into their head is Pump.Fun. It's the most popular launchpad out there, but it's basically the default option that everyone looks at. That's why, bro, Pump.Fun is oversaturated. Coins are launching every single second and disappearing instantly. Bro, if you are still deving coins through Pump.Fun, bro, you are just wasting your time, because the number one goal of a dev is for your coin to migrate onto the Radium DEX and reach tens and thousands of traders. And on Pump.Fun, bro, it will take too many launches and too much time and too much luck for your coin to migrate. That's exactly why I switched to create coins.io, because this launchpad gives you an edge on everybody else launching on other launchpads. Because on this website, bro, your token goes straight onto the Radium DEX and it gets immediately migrated and it will be tradable within seconds, which means your coin will get more eyes, more liquidity, more upside, and that's exactly why people are gatekeeping this website. Alright, now I'm going to walk you through how to fully develop and launch a meme coin on this platform, bro. Now, you have two different ways to go about it, bro, and it's up to you. The first way is to start from scratch. So, you have to create your own branding for your own meme coin. Now, you have to find a good narrative for that coin. So go on X or go on Reddit or I don't know what the fuck, bro, and look for a narrative. It could be literally anything. And yeah, once you have a good narrative, bro, it could be an Elon Musk tweet, Trump tweet, anything. Once you have a good narrative, come back to create coins.io, invent a quick name, add a quick symbol, then add a quick image, and just like that, bro, that meme coin is custom created and it will launch instantly. But the second way is actually the fastest and the most profitable option, and that's by copying trending coins. Now, these coins already have hype and active buyers and they're already going viral. So copying them gives you immediate volume and faster profits. I love copying coins. I've personally stacked my entire portfolio from copying trending coins. Anyways, let's stop explaining and launch this coin right now. I want you to see how fast the whole process actually is, bro, live on camera, because I am fully transparent. Now, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected just like this, then click on the refresh list button to have all the new fresh coins, and honestly, bro, just choose one. You can copy the King of the Hill, but I'm going to copy the Snowball coin. Why not? It looks decent. It has a last buy 2 seconds ago and a next. Now click on create coin. In the block, click on proceed, confirm I understand, then confirm right here. It's just precautions. Then just wait a couple seconds. Boom. If I go on soul scan, you guys will see that it is live on chain. Everything is working, everything is legit. Okay, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this step is really fucking easy, okay? We are simply adding liquidity and instantly your token will become tradable on Radium for the public right here on the Radium DEX, okay? Now, by the way, bro, just to say, Pump.Fun does not give you guys the option to create your own liquidity pool because they created themselves. Anyways, click for the amount token A, click on 90%. That is going to drop 900 million tokens. Right under for the amount token B, this is basically the ignition for your chart. You're not spending this Solana permanently, it is just powering up the pool. All you need is at least 0.3 Solana, and by the way, bro, you will get all back once you remove the liquidity later, so we have nothing to lose, bro. It's simply the first buy, but you are gonna get it back later, so it's like completely free. So put 0.35 so right here, just a bit more than the minimum to be safe. Then click on create pool, and once again, bro, just click on confirm right here. When that is done, bro, click on refresh, make sure you scroll down right after, and then boom, now the coin is live on chain. You will be able to see it right here. Your profits are at $0 though, but if you do click on the refresh button for a second time, obviously, now we're up $122 because people are now buying our coin, and that's the beauty of diving coins, bro. A bunch of random people are organically going to buy your coin. Anyways, click on view on Photon to see the chart, or Axum or Novo, it's up to you. Let me go on full screen for a better view of the fucking coin. Let's fucking go, come on. Come on, bro. Okay, now it's fucking live, bro. Let's fucking go. We're already up a couple $100. It's pumping. Okay, so many people buying in. Oh my god, bro! Why is it pumping like this? Oh, someone just sold for a bunch of money. Oh, people are selling now. It's not a big deal, bro. We will recover because more and more people are going to start viewing, seeing, and scanning the blockchain and then buying in the coin. Okay, $72. That's a nice comeback. I believe it's gonna go up like this because, bro, it just has to, right? We are at a 1.2k market cap, and even though it still goes down, we are still making money because we're making money off of the creator fees. That's the beauty of diving coins. Okay, but trading meme coins, you could lose all your money at any given moment, but diving, bro, is fucking free. Like, you're just creating a coin and waiting for transactions. Anyways, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump, and yeah, bro, we're back. Alright guys, I am back and we are at a $1.36,000 liquidity, 1.4k. It does vary, right? It changes every single second, and 2.5k market cap. I'm kinda nervous for this coin. I could wait longer for it to fucking explode, but I want to make this video short for you guys. So when you are ready to cash out, come back to create coins.io, and obviously, bro, make sure you click on the refresh button to check your profits. And we are up $1.34,000 in liquidity. Yeah, the same thing right here. Anyways, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money out of the coin, like literally everything, then just wait. And now, as you guys can see, bro, we are going to receive around 11.5 Solana, which is equivalent to the same amount. Click on confirm. And bang, bro! That's exactly how you dive meme coins, launch, create, whatever the fuck you want to call it, and make some bread, bro. It's way better than trading. Now, if I open my wallet, you guys can see that I received the entire amount inside my Phantom wallet, $1.35,000. Even though the market is down, we still ended up on top. Go try this out for yourself, bro. It's actually insane. And bro, if you have any questions, DM me on Twitter at jfpflips or j.crypto. And by the way, bro, if you want to win 3 so like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, subscribe, and join my Telegram group down below, and also my Discord for more information. Good luck, bro, and